Welcome to seventh week of our lecture here. Today is June 1st. Actually, the moment speaking is the May 31st. And as you already seen a couple of days, there is riots nationwide, especially in our hometown in Los Angeles. There is many places are affected by looting and with devastating riots that you may seen it through the news. Hopefully no one got affected in our classroom, anyone in our classroom. And I pray for all of you guys, be safe and away from the scene, away from this unnecessary turmoils. And I also pray for everyone in this Angelinos to get away, overcome this carefully and skillfully as much as we can. It is a sad moment for our country and sad moment to see this as a human being. Many conflicts and dilemmas that you are witnessing it. However, this is the somewhat good timing if you look at in different angle that tied relate to our subject here. Looking at the reality in terms of your spiritual growth, and this is a critical moment that every one of us can using this opportunity to check your conditions, your status, your mental capability, and your psychological strength, your spiritual strength, to see how you embrace this critical time. If you can pull this out, this will give you somewhat good opportunity to let you guys grow further, and you can use this experience and memories to check back later on how much you change it. That's how we should looking at the different difficulties. Whatever it comes, it will disappear. Whatever turmoil that we've seen it, no matter how real it is, it will go away in one time, in one whatever it occurs, it happens, it happened. But we do not have to be so focused on that event and forget about your own self. If we looking at someone is doing unrealistic or unreasonable behaviors outside of the reasonable boundary, then we should reflect ourselves. Do I have that anything in me that I can see through myself. And another way is looking at the world is that's it happens. The world we see in day by day in peacetime is not perfect. The world is not perfect that we assume it's a perfect world, but it's not. We just witness that. So if we put the world or the society are supposed to be like that, or supposed to be like a perfect world, then we might need to change our mindset from this experience. So just give a thought and just let you know, even we are at the darkest moment, there is a light comes out of it. Like in ancient Chinese philosophy, Taoism, there is a saying, if you're looking at the Taoist logo, there is the Tai Chi or Yin and Yang. You might seen it before in different settings. So that round, and there is a kind of sword on two. There's two different colors. One is black and white. And if you're looking at that, some of the logos in dark black side of it, the center, there is a little dot, a white dot on it. And the other, vice versa, there is a white center, there is a black dot on it. What that means is life is a cycle. It goes, it make a cycle from one to another. So whatever it comes, it'll go away. Whatever it go away, it'll come back. So in what we call the yin and yang, yang is positive energy, yin is negative energy. However, those two are intertwined and cannot function without one to another. It's always a balance in between. So positive energy cannot be function by itself. It always come up with the paired with the negative energy. So using this dynamics, whatever the darkest time in that we experience, that's the starting point of the light, but it comes. Like a twilight, like a day, change to the night change to the daylight.